Hey guys, how's it going? So right now I'm here at Melbourne Central, and today is a vlog day.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12 fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box.
So it's been like almost 2 years for me here, and I never tried Hotpot. I always eat Chinese food every day, but I never tried Hotpot. So just heading to a Hotpot place nearby to try Hotpot. So that's the whole vlog about. That's the Swanston Street, and this is the Melbourne Central building. I'm just heading to Elizabeth Street down there. That's where the place is.
Where you at? I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag.
I think I just spotted Pat right there. Can you guys see? He's right there. Oh my god. Patty.
You don't take photo of me?
I don't know what that is. Is it like Chinese traditional thing?
Chinese drama?
Okay. We've been welcomed with some Chinese drama.
Yes.
Hey, how are you doing? What is this about? He doesn't speak English. Oh my bad. Oh, my friend is there. He speaks Chinese. Okay, I'll come back. Nice to meet you. It was fun. Apparently he doesn't speak English, but this is called Panda Fan. So that's the place. Cool. Guys, hey, Shannon, how are you doing?
Hi.
Patty. It's a very nice lighting here, so we're just gonna keep the camera somewhere here and walk you through the whole procedure.
So we have a few components here. This part is like the chef's special recommendation, like the really premium dishes.
Yeah, he's here.
And then the second part is homemade. This is like some special dishes, particularly from this restaurant. And then this is what people normally order when they come for Hotpot. Some like classic dishes. And then this is seafood, veggies, mushroom. All these are for Hotpot.
Okay. What is this? 30 seconds. 30. What is that? Oh,
Which
the
one?
cooking time. These ones here.
Oh yeah, they provide you cooking time. Small dishes like the entree, and then some drinks.
Okay. So they got another big
Oh my
menu.
god, look at this! 美国总统夫人米歇尔和家人来在大庙。
On their menu, I literally saw their founders taking pictures with Michelle Obama, which is like a shock to me because I never thought this is like a huge thing. I think it's a big thing. That's Michelle Obama there.
需要吗？
他说夫妻肺片现在是
1块钱。
那拿一份夫妻肺片。
That's a crab steak. That's my favorite, by the way.
This one is called beef lungs in chili sauce. So it's beef lungs. It's like a lot of some sliced beef, all cut in a very thin slice. So it's very delicious. Almost the classic Sichuan spicy food.
They started bringing in the dishes one by one, which we ticked on the menu. So Pat's gonna help me figure out which is which. Actually, I know a couple of things, but we just want to know what it is. So Pat's explaining me what's going on here.
This one here is like the sliced beef, but it's like the very good quality.
Oh my god, they're bringing more.
That's a crab stick. That's small sausages. This is soybean products, sliced soybeans.
Is that prawn?
It's prawn.
That's prawn.
That's prawn. It's lamb, sliced lamb.
Yeah, sliced lambs. And what is that?
It's from cow.
Oh, the cow.
Oh, thank you. So they're giving us this for free as like the dessert.
Okay.
Very nice.
Oh, the jelly one. I had it before. Yeah.
Yeah. And look at the chopsticks here. It's super long. It's longer than a normal one. Like particularly designed for the Hotpot because you need to put stuff inside. Like
Oh, okay. Yeah,
deeply.
that's right. Okay. One important part of Hotpot is like getting the dipping sauce ready. So they got a lot of sauce to choose from. So Pat's gonna help me mix and match it.
Typical classic combination of the dipping sauces. You start from the garlic mud, like the garlic mud.
So the garlic mud.
Yeah, and you put a bit of
Spring onions?
no, not celery.
Okay.
A bit of celery. Coriander is a must. It's like the most classic one. But the whole point is garlic mud and this veggie oil. You put the oil inside, okay? And then if you want it more spicy, you can personalize it. Put more chili there.
Or chili. Okay, I don't want much chili. A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit chili. Like this is very spicy chili.
Okay,
And that's it.
that's it. Okay.
You can put a bit of peanut.
Peanut. Yeah, peanut. I love peanut.
And then we're gonna mix it with the veggie oil and you make a stir. And veggie oil, and the last bit is you take from the soup, right? From the original soup. If you like spicy, it's spicy soup. If you like original soup.
And then you add the original soup from the hot pot.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you make a perfect dipping sauce.
It's highly personalized, depends on preference, but this is what most people do.
And off my line of sight once more. Out of luck, it'll all be fine this time. Out of luck.
Yeah, he's pouring the tea in like a shell thing. This particular one, this is like, it's beef stomach. I find it really weird because it's so thin and it's grainy. Like it got some tiny barbs on it. Like I don't know how it's gonna feel.
They deliberately cut it so thin so that you can only cook it like 10 seconds. If it's so thick, it's gonna take 1 minute to cook. It doesn't make sense.
Okay, so you're just gonna dip it for 1 minute. Sorry, 10 seconds.
It'll all be fine this time. Out of luck, 'cause you always seem so kind. Out of luck, it'll all be fine this time. Out of luck.
So we're done with the hot pot and time to go now. So that was a great experience. I could say it took us like almost 1.5. No, it's not 1.5. Yeah, it took us 2 hours to dine in here. It's pretty cold. Maybe I should put on the cold sweater. I hope you guys liked this video, especially the hot pot thing. I'm gonna try that again, but I'll be back with more exciting videos, so keep watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and also like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.